on a hillside here in Southern California. I'm surrounded by deerweed, sometimes called California broom. Lotus scoparius is the scientific name. Member of the pea family, Fabaceae. The old name was Leguminosae, and it was in reference to the fruit. The fruit is a legume. You can remember a pea pod or string beans. They have that famous legume fruit full of nutritious seeds. The beans and the peas on the planet make it an important food plant for humans. It's a large family, famous for its pea-shaped flowers and its legume fruit. Also on the roots of members of that family are little nodules filled with special bacteria. And that bacteria takes nitrogen from the air and converts it to organic materials that can be utilized pretty much as a fertilizer. So the legumes on the planet enrich the soil with the root bacteria. I just plucked a stem to share with you a phenomenon that's relatively recently verified. You'll notice here at the top of the inflorescence are little yellow pea flowers, and each pea flower has various parts. Within these parts are the anthers and the stigma, as well as an ovary, which will ultimately make seeds. What happens is a bee comes along, probes inside these flowers, pollinates, and then the flower ages and turns red. Bees are colorblind to red, and so they don't really see these flowers that are already pollinated. All they see are the yellow ones that are ready for pollination. You'll notice these red flowers are kind of drying up, and then they will mature and become little elongated fruits called legumes, like a pea pod down here at the lower part of the inflorescence. These are beans. They're very short and have very few seeds within. The genus Lotus, for Lotus scoparius, is sometimes confused with a lotus, which is a water flower. And that's not supposed to be the way it is in the scientific world. You're not supposed to have names that different plants share. But if you were to Google lotus, you may get the lotus group from the pea family, or you may get lotuses from water flowers. So don't be confused by the two names attached to that one word, lotus. Lotus scoparius, here on a hillside in Southern California.